All right, good morning, Vail. This is Sean Naylor with the Vail Daily. I'm out here at the top of Northwoods Express on a powdery Wednesday. As of this morning, however, as you can see, it is dumping. And we are gonna have a really fun week here with a whole lot of snow. So let's go check out these conditions. What do y'all think? Should we hit the Black Diamond to start? Yeah, I think so. So snow cam says there's about 3 inches on the ground right now. There's clearly more than that. It's been a little windy out here. It's especially windy in Beaver Creek. They have had delayed openings this morning due to wind. Meanwhile, over here in Vail, it is beautiful. Take a look. All right, let's go. Storm brought in more than we expected. Pretty chilly with the wind chill.